This is a small tutorial of Catfish, the all-new Ultimate Android Messenger, which is launched recently in India and which is developed in Indonesia. This is Catfish Android Messenger's icon on mobile. This is the Catfish Android Messenger. I'll briefly explain what is Catfish Android Messenger and why it is ultimate than other Android messengers. This is my friend list in which I am having this much friends. This is my profile picture. I can set up my own name and I can set up my own status over here, and my friends can comment on that status. It's just not a messenger, it's a social hub or a social network, you can say. It works on pins, which is called as like it's a BlackBerry kind of a thing. You should have your friend's pin, so you can enter your friend's pin over here and then add your friend. He or she will accept the friend request and then you can go ahead for chatting. Why this is ultimate Android Messenger, I'll explain it. Why this is the ultimate Android Messenger? Because it has more features than any Android messenger in the market, Android market. And sorry to say, but this Android messenger is not available in market. Catfish Android Messenger is not available in Android market now, but it will be available soon. You can change your profile picture by clicking over here. Just if you want to enter your profile, click on your photo and you'll be in your profile. This is your profile. This is my profile and you can enter it. By clicking on this, it will redirect you to the gallery and you can choose any photos and put any photo as your profile picture. This is your NIC, that is a pin which you should share with your friends, and this is your status and you can update it anytime. You can comment on the status, on other status, by clicking on this small button. If I want to comment on anyone's status, and if anyone have received a status comment, it will glow like this. You will see it is glowing, and you can click that and you can see what is the comment. Oh, very nice display picture. This is display picture. If you want to see your friend's display picture, look, they are commenting on their status or display picture. And if you want to see your friend's display picture large, so click on your friend's display picture, then click on options and then enlarge profile pic. You can see your display photo picture. If you want to chat with your friend, you can just click in the middle and then you can chat with your friend. Say hi. It will show you it is in queue, then it is sent. When your friend will receive your message, it will convert into D, and when your friend will read the message, it will be converted into R. You can send him a buzz, it's a bleeze, you can say send bleeze. By sending a bleeze, your friend's phone gets vibrate and he comes to know that he's having a message in Catfish Android Messenger. Now see, there is R. I have got in reply. See. See. Now my friend has liked my photo or commented on it. See, he has liked my profile picture. See, this much friends have liked my profile picture. See, or comment or status, you can say. If you want to like others profile picture, you can enter into their profile and click on like button like this. See, and it is showing now like one thumbs up, and you can see who likes it. Just click on that thumbs up and I am liking it. You can set your friend's profile by own. You can set it. Just click on set profile, set friend's profile. There is an option of group chat in this Catfish Android Messenger. These three rings is a pool, Catfish pool. It is called as Catfish pool. You can create any pool anytime. That is a group you can create. Just select a group photo, then topic title, then message, or you can attach any document to it, and you can create a conference topic or a group topic. You can add 1,000 members in one group. 1,000 members in one group. See, these are the status comments. You can categorize your friends in different categories like this: fees, friends, mala, brother, Catfish team, and outsider marketing. Like this. You can categorize your own list. If you want to quick search your friend, you can click on this magnifying glass. See, search button. It is search button, and you can search by name anytime. It accepts Indian languages scripts, and there are many emojis in this Catfish Android Messenger like this. There are many emojis, and there are some emojis which are not added yet, but they work like this. See. If I want to say thanks to my friend, see, this is the emoji. See, please, my phone got vibrated when my friend sent me please. So he wants to attract me to his message that he sent me hi. And then this is, I sent him thanks. There are many other emojis which will be added later, and there are many other features which are coming soon. So you can try this ultimate Android Messenger as soon as possible. But there is one more feature I want to tell you. That is, if you click on this clock sign, you can sort your friends list by priority. See, sort friend list by priority, and by last activity. See, I was talking with Chintex. This is the last activity, and if you want to keep a priority, it will show like this. Now if you want to add a friend, this is the add friend, and if you will receive any request, it will be shown in new friend request. Then when you'll add any friend, if the friend request is not accepted it will show you pending request, and then profile history. Profile history means if anybody updates their name status, you can check who have updated their name and status. See, these friends have updated their name and status. You can clear it anytime. Clear all. See, by clicking on options menu, you can broadcast any message to a category or all friends together, all friends in one time. If you want to broadcast your message to a particular category, you can click on this button. It will show you the categories, and then just a category will receive your messages. See, in this category this much friends are there, so they will receive the message. Just type anything and then say broadcast. Now if you don't want to receive a pull message request like a group, if your friends can add you in any group and it comes to your pull messages instantly, but if you don't want to receive any messages or receive any pull requests, you can go to settings, then you can go to application and accept pull request, uncheck the accept pull request, and you're done. Then these options are there. Auto file receive. This is the main feature of this Catfish Android Messenger, that you can receive file up to 20 MB and there is no limitation to file types. Like you can send any file type like this. See, you can photo share, you can send contacts, voice chat, send bleed, and then file share. While sharing a file, if you click on this, it will show you Catfish file browser. You can go to it and you can select any type of file, APK file, Word file, any type of file you can send to your friend. See, I will send a document file to my friend. See, and press OK and then send. See. It is showing sending, and it will show send, and when it is delivered to my friend it will show me D, and when he will open it or read it, it will show me R. Now you can set your own notification sound by going in the notification. Then this is your account information. This is my NIC and this is my password. Password is for your security purpose. If you uninstall the Catfish in future, or if you want to, if you are buying any other new mobile, Android mobile, you can use this NIC, this pin, same pin in another mobile also. Just you have to request them to transfer my pin to other mobile's IMEI number. So you can find details on Catfish India community on Facebook or www.catfish.com. This was the short tutorial for Catfish, the ultimate Android messenger. If any doubt, you can join our group on Facebook. Thank you very much. Catfish India, enjoy.